Uh-oh, Oscar's hooked up. That's a better one. Oh, definitely. I'm gonna grab that net.
Stay down.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. There he is. That's a good one. He was in there. Oh, yeah. Good one, too. Oh, get in here. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do for these fish. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode here on Texas Reeling. So today we are back out here, me and my brother-in-law. He's behind the camera once again. We've been fishing for a couple hours now, and we just came to the back of this creek, and I finally was able to catch my first one. It's been a rough day for me, let's put it that way. My brother-in-law, he's been doing real good. He's caught some nice ones already. He's got about 3, I think, and I've only got 1. I got a couple of drum. I know, don't clap too hard. But we're gonna keep fishing these cypress trees, keep flipping in them, and hopefully we can get into some more big ones. So you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. Let's get to it. It's ought to be good right here.
De Niro. Robert De Niro.
$5 feet. Got him. I was taking me a breakfast break. I'm missing out. Good on first fish of the day.
Like a bit me.
It's been a rough morning, y'all. Rough morning, but we got something going now. Hopefully we can keep it going.
Dang, he been pulling up.
Yeah, I know you casted it and he must have been sitting right there. Uh-oh, Oscar's hooked up. That's a better one. Oh, definitely. I'm gonna grab that net.
Stay down.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. God, if you had the belly on it, that'd be a good fish. Let's pop him on the scale. Or her. Man, that's a good fish there. Woo. Dang, good fish. Oh, I think it's on there. There. Man, that's a bucket mouth.
Exposing its gills. Here, hold it. Put them on there.
I got him.
Hey, he smashed. We might have to back up.
336.
Woo!
Wow.
336.
That's a good fish there, guys. Check it out. God, that's a long fish. Wow. Good fish, brother.
Get him out the water.
Well, I don't know where I was at. Kind of lost track of my own self. There we go. Okay. Well. We'll definitely try it though. Uh-huh. Yeah, it is. Wow. Alright, guys, we pulled up to a new spot. Never fished this spot. The water is dirty. Chocolate milk. Yeah, chocolate milk.
That's the only thing that kind of makes me have a little bit of confidence in it, because it's so dirty. They'll be.
Have your feet planted, though, just in case we hit one of them stumps.
Yeah.
We're gonna creep into the back of this cut right here, Some nice little cover back there, big old cypress trees. See if we can get some of these fish off these trees. Got him?
Yeah.
Not a bad one. All right. Heck
He
yeah.
was right on that stump.
This is where I need to be flipping and pitching. All this cover.
Joker, you bit me.
Well, you ain't gotta tell me. I'm gonna go back to it, brother. You ain't got to tell me. All right, there's Oscar's. Was that your third?
Yeah.
Third one, not a bad one. Nice little chunk. Let's do it. You can put it on the side over there between. Yeah. There's one. All right. He's choked it too.
Get to it.
He choked it. Oh, he's already bleeding. Hold on, buddy. Let me save you. There he goes. Well, here he goes, guys. Let him go. Don't want him to die.
He's really fast.
There he is. That's a good one. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Heck yeah.
Right on the bark.
Yep. Right on the bark of them trees, guys. Just like I told y'all earlier. Right on it. Actually, that was my second pitch in that same tree. And came up and smashed it that second time. There we go, guys. That's a good quality fish. Bigger than the other ones I caught. Sweet. Whew. Feels good. Day's turned around. Alright guys, so this is all we're doing, how we're starting to figure them out. We're throwing this little lizard, cotton candy color, and we're focusing on the bark of the trees. I mean, we're getting it right up on the bark. Sometimes we'll bounce it off the bark. A lot of times on the downfall is when we get in those strikes. We came back here and we figured out that pattern. Oscar is the one that caught one first, and then after that I kind of switched over to the same color he was throwing, and we just been going off of that. And we're gonna keep fishing all the way down the back of this creek, just fitting the barks like I said, and hopefully we can get a couple of more for you guys. So we're not fishing deep, it's just hitting the right trees. Got him? There he is. All right. Oh!
Right when I was about to flip him. He was right there though.
Yep.
Right there. Took a chunk of his cheek, look.
Dang.
Literally ripped his lip off.
He'll remember you. Make this weedless and see if I can pop it in there.
He just picked it up. I didn't even know he was on until I was close. That's why I didn't get a good hook in him.
He was in there. Oh yeah. Good one too. Oh, get in here. Woo.
That's a good one.
Alright guys, so let's get a release on her. Alright guys, there that baby. There she goes. Back to where she lives. Boy, oh boy, what a day. What a turnaround.
Turn around.
You guys aren't gonna see everything that happened to me this morning, but just trust me on this. It was a rough morning for me.
Rough is an understatement.
It was rough, but it turned around for me.
Man, that was a good one. That was a good one.
Did you see where I caught him out of?
Yeah. Yeah, that was, you were.
I pitched it in there right where I wanted it too. I figured, I was thinking, okay, I had just said I'm gonna make it weedless so it'll pop down in there and whew.
I call that breaking and entering.
There's actually, guys, for it being so shallow, you can see there's some dry spots, but there's still some real good current running through here. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. It looks like it's coming out, but there is some good current running through here, so that's always a good thing when you have current running through.
Back up, back up. It's not gonna let me do it. I have to grab it, man. I have to grab it.
Good?
Yeah. I don't know why it was tripping.
Did the propeller cut you? Did the propeller cut you?
No, I don't know why it did that.
What was it doing? Like it wouldn't let you
It
control?
was flying on its own.
It wouldn't let you control it? Yeah.
It didn't mess up that motor. That sucker was landing in the water though.
You saved it. You was almost gator food.
Huh?
You were almost gator food. You was pretty close to going in too.
You know, I've heard some people say that it just sometimes it'll do that.
It'll just start acting up. Yeah, I've heard that too. I don't know what drones they say, but I have heard where drones just kind of control it, start doing their own thing. That was one of them times, I guess. Come on, get off of there. Got him? Nice. Well, this guy's just coming in the game now and just catching them. I'm over here. I've been fishing for like 10 minutes while he was fooling with a drone. These 3 cast in, catches a fish. Let me check him out. Ooh, dark fish, huh?